How to sign a document. Visit your Signing Cloud mobile app and click on the Sign Now button. Select the document you wish to sign. You will be navigated to the review page of the document, where you may then proceed to click Sign at the bottom of the page. The document will be displayed and the sections which require your signatures will be shown, prompting you for your action. When you click on it, you will be given the option of how you'd like to place your signature. Once you've chosen your option, click on Sign at the top of the page for the next step, which is the ID verification process. Once your ID has been successfully verified, you'd have completed the signing process. You may now view the status of your documents on your Signing Cloud app.
Signing Cloud. Sign with confidence.